Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how we can do the SEO with the AI tool. Yes, now we can do the SEO with the AI and we can rank our website on Google. And let me show you the practical example here. Recently I have added my website in this tool and I have increased my keyword ranking in just few days. So it's really cool and amazing. I'm going to show you the step by step how you can use that tool and how you can optimize your website in just few clicks. So here we go. First of all, we are going to use here the Alli AI tool. Open this website and now we need to click on sign up. Once you have done the sign up process, you need to log in, and after login, you can add your website. Click on the add new site from here and you need to enter your website URL. So my website URL is codingbuzz.info, right? And I'm gonna just click on the next, and I need to just put the type of business and the primary search country. I already have done it. I already have added. Okay, so let me show you my website here. So this is my website I have just added here. First, you need to connect your website with the AI tool. So click on the install option here. And you can see that you have the JavaScript code. You need to just copy that code and you need to paste that code according to your CMS. Like if you're using the WordPress, so you can paste that code in header.php, or you can install any plugin also. So you can do it. So after installing that code, you will see the look like visit successfully installed. Okay, now let me show you how we can increase our website ranking using this AI tool. So in the left side, you will see the lot of option, and let me show you the one amazing option here, and click on the on page here, and you can see the SEO automation recommendation, right? So that tool recommend you a lot of option, like you need to update your meta description, you need to do something like this. Now, if I will do the manually one by one, so it will take a lot of time. So using that tool, you can do it in just one click. As you can see here, you have the all the data is recommended for your website. As you can see here, add the H1 tags, link, meshing title. If you want to check this, so you can just click on the any like add social preview here, click on it. And as you can see here, all these are posts. So let me just click on this post. As you can see here, the suggested content here, you can approve it manually or you can do it. I'm feeling lucky and approve all. So let me just do it. So the Alli AI tool will do the all your changes. So it's really very cool. Using that tool, you don't need to do it anything manually. You can do it in just one click, right? You can see in the left side, you'll find the content option. Just click on it. So using this feature, you can optimize the title of your page or post. Now we have to rank our keywords in our website, right? So how we can do it? So in the left side, you will see the keyword option. Click on it. And as you can see here, we have the option like add new keyword, suggested keyword, and track your keywords. So I'm going to click on the add new keyword. So once you click on it, AI will recommend you the keywords so you can add it. Like suppose my website is related to the coding, right? So I'm going to add here, you can see the MIT App Inventor extension. I'm going to just click on this, time function PHP, MIT App Builder, MIT extension. As you can see here in the right side, you will get all the keywords. Now, if you want to add some keywords, so you can just type here MIT App Inventor TCP like this. Okay, so now you need to select the country. So I'm targeting the US because most of the audience I have from the US. Okay, so I'm targeting the US. You can change your country from here. We can see the language option. So I have the English. Click on the save your keywords. So just click on it. Now you can see this tool is optimizing all the keywords, and that you can track. In the left side, you will see click on keyword and track your keywords. Here you can track your all keywords. You can see you can track all the keywords like this. Now you can see MIT App Inventor free AI file is ranked on the 7th position. You can see the overview of your all keywords in one place. Okay, we all have one focus keyword on our website. So I have that MIT app example is my focus keyword. So you can change your focus keyword. So suppose, let me just change that. Now I'm going to make that app builder MIT going to be a focus keyword. Okay, click on that keyword. Now I'm going to make that keyword as a focus keyword of my website. So scroll down and as you can see here, set focus keyword. Just click on it and it's done. Now our focus keyword is app builder MIT. Okay, now you go to the keyword option and click on the track your keyword. And now you can see here the focus keyword is app builder MIT. You can see number of position is here, right? Search volume here, and all the thing you can see in one view. Now let's go to the page option. In the left side, you'll see the pages. In our website, we have a lot of pages, right? So you can do, here you can see that you can do the soft crawling or you can do the force recalling. So now you just need to select these pages and just click on the soft crawl. That's it. So in the left side, you'll see the click on links. You can see the option of outreach. So just click on this. Now you can see you have the lot of option to do. So let me just find out this one, AI file download. Click on it. You can see that is suggesting us to create a link in Quora. So you need to just read an article and comment on the article. As you can see here, read the article through. So just click on it. You can see the AI file download.quora.com. Here you can see. Now you can just, you can see open this read article, write a comment that adds the substance and contribute your knowledge and expertise. So you just need to comment something and just click on the finish outreach link. So you can do it one by one. So you don't need to worry to find out the website because it's really very difficult tasks to find the website to have the comment or have the link of our website to the other websites. You can see that we have the brands option, so we can reach out the brands also, right? So there are a lot more options you can explore in this tool. Now let's see the reports. In the left side, you will see the report option. Click on the build link report. Using that tool, you can have the all outreach links. So you just need to export it and you can send it to your client. And that is really very useful for creating a report, right? You have a lot of options like keyword ranking report, site sales report, and a lot of reports you can download from this tool. To create a keyword ranking report, you just need to click on the run new export and it's just processing. After processing, you can download the keyword report from that tool. Here's the option of site speed. If you want to increase the website speed, so you need to install this. You just need to update the TXT record in your domain and you can increase the speed of your website. Now you can see the lot of options like schemas and you can see the interlinks also. So you can do interlinking option also using in just one click. You can see this is the automation and I am feeling lucky and approve all. Just approve all. So we are doing the 36 changes in just one click. Overall, this tool is all about how we can rank our website in Google in just few clicks, because we all are living in an AI world where we should always use the AI to improve our website ranking. So that's all about it. If you have any doubt related to the Alli AI tool, you can ask me on comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.